Ever dreamed of mastering the most sought-after skills in tech? Let's make it a reality with our data analytics course at My Code Tricks Academy. At My Code Tricks Academy, we turn beginners into pro data analysts. Our hands-on approach means you'll be coding from day one. Picture this: small, interactive classes where questions are encouraged and help is always available. Our expert instructors, they've been in the industry and they're here to guide you every step of the way. With practical projects and real-world applications, you'll not only learn Python, but also Power BI, SQL, Advanced Excel, and VBA macros. Need support? We've got you covered. Our community is like a family, always ready to lend a hand. Plus, our flexible schedules mean you can learn at your own pace. By the end of the course, you'll have the skills and confidence to tackle any data analytics challenge. So, why wait? Join us at My Code Tricks Academy and start your data analytics journey today. Master Python, Power BI, SQL, Advanced Excel, and VBA macros. Make it happen. My Code Tricks Academy.